If you've lost access to your Sidekick browser account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Sidekick login page. Go to the official Sidekick browser login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Select the Account Recovery options. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Sidekick account. Make sure it is correct, as this is where recovery instructions will be sent. Click on the Send Recovery Email button. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Sidekick. This email will contain a link or instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you should be able to log into your Sidekick account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Sidekick browser account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Sidekick's customer support for further assistance.